told your friend you're not okay.
Hello everyone, Tahina here from Tahina Michelle Plans, and today I will be unboxing my Walmart beauty box for summer 2022. The version I got is 17. I wanted to post this video because I watched a lot of them, and a lot of people had version 2 for some reason, but I never seen version 17, so I wanted to definitely do this video. And sorry for my finger, yesterday I kept hurting myself. So we have a little card here that tells you some of the stuff you could get. So let's see what I got. Okay, so the first thing that I got was, I think everybody got this because almost everybody I seen had this, which is a Liquid IV pina colada drink. The only thing is, I got this last time. I got the cherry. I haven't tried the cherry, but the thing is, I already bought a pack of these, so I already know what these taste like, and I'm not too fond of those, but it's whatever. Next up I got is Arm & Hammer Complete Care Whole Mouth Protection. Provides deep cleaning, whitening, and gum health. Ultra smooth and fresh mint. Okay, now this I don't mind because I'm still trying to find my perfect toothpaste that I want. You know, like I forget what it's called. There's one that works perfect on my daughter's teeth. Like if her teeth are yellow or anything like that, all she has to do is use that toothpaste, and in 2 days her teeth are white. So, but that toothpaste does not work for me for some reason. But anyway, I've never tried this, so I'm glad I got that. Next up I got is this razor, which I've never got a razor with them before. I've only gotten a couple of boxes. The winter box I didn't even get. They skipped me. They gave me an email saying they were going to charge my card from the 17th to the 20th or something like that. And then I'm like, okay, cool. Make sure I have money in my account. But they never charged me, and I never got the box. So I don't know what was up with that. But they charged me for the spring box. I did get that one though. So I don't know what happened in winter, but here, let me open this. Okay, so this is what the razor looks like. It's very pretty. I don't really get these. Sorry for the crows. We have a bunch of crows that come to our tree, and the tree is right in front of our balcony, so you will hear crows. But I don't usually purchase these because they tend to work like disposable ones, and I end up tossing them like after a couple of times using them. But since I have it, I will use it. Okay, so next up is Cetaphil. I think that's how you say it. No, sure. Gentle Skin Cleanser. Dry to normal, sensitive skin. Hydrates as it cleanses to soothe and repellish skin's moisture. I don't know why they sent this to me, because actually, personally, I have combination skin. If anything, my face gets oily more than anything. So I don't need moisture. But my boyfriend, he has dry skin. So I'll probably give this to him and have him try that. So next up, I got the Suave Up the Volume shampoo and conditioner packets. Okay, so I've never tried this, but I have tried Suave shampoo and conditioner, and I'm not a big fan. It doesn't work on my hair, but I will give this a try because maybe it's a better formula. So I'll try that. And the last item that I received, well, Moo decided he wanted to be part of the video. The last thing I received is this Revlon Color Stay eyeshadow palette. Okay, I don't think I've ever received makeup in this box before. I know you have been able to get like an eyeliner and stuff like that and lipstick. I might have got a lipstick or a chapstick or something like that. But these are neutral, which aren't really my thing. But I'll swatch them. Okay, that's too light. Okay. That's super duper light. What? Oh, I actually got one that actually worked. Okay. Okay, so I could only show you those two because the other ones didn't come out. So, which I'm already disappointed in that. But I will try them because that doesn't mean anything. It might look better on the eyes. So I do have another box coming, so if you want to see that one, I don't know exactly when it's coming, but I will do a video on that. So please subscribe and like this video. Okay, so after I filmed my first box, my second box came, so I just decided to keep both boxes in the same video. And the second box is the volume 2 or version 2. The one that I was talking about that almost everybody got. But I'm still going to show it. So, and depending on which version you get, depends on what your card is. I wish they would just show everything you could have got. First item that I see is Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Moisture Boost Protein Pack. 2 times coconut oil. What is this? Oh, okay, for your hair. Oh yeah, I see it now. Okay, so this is cool. My hair is really dry, so I will definitely try this. So hopefully it'll boost it. And again, we got another liquid IV and pina colada. The next thing that I got is the Hello Vegan Lip Balm, which I've never tried their lip balms before. And for some reason, it has a slight tint to it. It has a slight scent to it, but I can't really tell you what it smells like. That's how slight it is. But I definitely I've been having issues the last couple of years with my lips chapped up. Let's see. Okay, there's different mint or spearmint in here, because you can definitely taste it and feel it, because it's like a tingly feeling. So I'll definitely use that. Next up, we have a copy, which I got in my other box, the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, dry to normal sensitive skin. Like I said before, I'll be giving this to my boyfriend because he's got dry skin. And next up is Ambi, I don't know, black soap with shea butter. Can I smell it? I don't want to open it, because I have a bunch of soaps. I can't really smell nothing. Cleans and nourishes skin. Rinses clear. Well, I should hope so. Okay, so I'll definitely use that. And the last thing that I got in here, does this... Oh, okay. I was going to say, does this go with anything? I don't even know how to say that. Sagely Extra Strength Pain Relief Cream. Instant cooling with 10% menthol. Okay, sometimes I need that for my back. My lower back or my shoulders. I have issues with that, so I'll definitely try that. So that's everything that I got in this box. Let me know what you guys got, and I'll see you next time.